Good morning. We just went to the market and bought some honey and we're now in Penny and it's much cheaper here. Let's go to Diemelsee. We are chilling at this beautiful spot right here. Enjoy the beautiful weather. We are at the same lake as yesterday. Yesterday we were around the corner and the boys are fishing again and the girls are chilling on the beach. There's an ice cream truck over there and I've got one Waldmeister and one vanilla. Nom nom nom. Waldmeister is good. We are switching spots. The same spot as yesterday. And some baby ducks. Let's go. I hope you guys like the drone shots. I really love the drone. It's really fun to fly it. I got the DJI Mini 4K if you want to know. And I just flew over this beautiful place here. Aww, baby goose. So cute. Steph's over there. I will join him. It is really hot today. It's like 25 C I think. So it's not really hot, but in the sun it's quite warm. But it's lovely weather. Steph and Jill rented the subboard, so we're gonna sub a little bit here. Let's have some dinner. Bon appetit. The sun is going on over there and it reflects on the moon, and as you can see it is so beautiful. And we are gonna watch How to Train Your Dragon part 2 in the car. And I see you guys tomorrow in a new video. Good night. Bye bye.